Hello, I'm Emily, a trader with 3 years of experience and a win rate of 88.5%. In this video, I will tell you about my results for the last week, which I will show you in a screencast. I will also reveal the strategy that helps me to be successful. Stay tuned to learn more. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I give private free consultations. There you can also find signals and bonuses for trading. Follow the link in the description and get your prize. Friends, I want to remind you that in my previous videos you will find other cool and working strategies for making money on trading. Today, my new miracle strategy created relatively recently will help me. I will start with the amount of $75, and now about the strategy itself. Its essence lies in the use of the Keltner Channel and Vortex indicators. These two indicators will help determine the general trend of the chart and its possible future direction. The analysis in this strategy is very simple. If two indicator lines intersect and move up, this is a signal to increase. If the lines go down, we open a deal to decrease. Now I will show how it works using the example of my deals. For your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, set the chart type to Hacking Asher, time frames to 30 minutes, then turn on the indicators, Vortex and Keltner Channel. The settings of these indicators you can see on the screen. We put the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to transactions. I immediately open a deal for a decrease for $75 because I see a rollback of the bullish candle. The indicator line is moving down. The lines also intersect and move down. And nice, the first deal is completed successfully and my balance is growing, friends. Let's not stop there. Now I see the same situation. There is a general downward trend. The indicator lines are moving down, crossing the lower values. I open a deal for a decrease for $144 and wait for profit. I trade on pocket option. Here each deal is a guarantee of clean and safe profit. There is a quick withdrawal of funds, transparent operations, and high income. I fully trust this platform and I'm ready to share it with you. Join my Telegram channel to stay up to date with the latest news and trading strategies, as well as receive bonuses. Let's achieve financial independence together. The balance is getting big and is $276. And now I will show you the last deal for today. And here is the last deal on the way. On the chart, I see the beginning of a downward trend. The indicator lines are moving down. There are no adjustments and there are support points in the chart. Therefore, I open a deal to decrease for $250. And my balance has grown. Now it is $506. Let me remind you that we started with $75. And having spent only a few minutes, I achieved these results using my strategy. Put a like, friends, subscribe to my channel and wait for new videos. Be sure to watch my next videos where I will share new and more profitable strategies for trading. Let me remind you about my free Telegram channel where I share secret strategies for making money on binary options. The channel offers bonuses and useful trading tips. And all of this is absolutely free for my subscribers. Don't miss the chance to increase your income. Follow the link in the description and join us. We are waiting for you.